I just built an e-commerce app for my pet project in 2 days without writing a single line of code myself. It took around 100 prompts and a few iterations to get a functional demo. For this, I used Anything, an AI builder which was faster and understood prompts way better than any other AI code generators that I've used so far. However, when I tried to create an account in my demo app, I got a success message, but it wasn't sending emails. You see, there was nothing wrong with the app itself, I just needed to connect Anything to a third-party email sending solution. It took less than 5 minutes and my app was ready to send emails. And today, I'll show you how I did it, step by step, so you can do it too. Don't forget, user communication is what separates a demo from a production-ready project. Disclaimer: this video is not sponsored by Anything. I've made the tutorial as per a request from Mailtrap users and after using the tool in my own workflows. As I mentioned, to have my app send emails, I connected it to an email API. Personally, I decided to go with Mailtrap as an email delivery platform. To connect the two, first I just had to create a free Mailtrap account, verify my sending domain, and write down my API key. Well, you can copy-paste it to a notepad. Still, having done all of that, I was now ready to send some emails. In my Anything project, I clicked on Project Settings, from the sidebar, and then navigated to the Secrets tab. Then, I clicked on the Add New Secret button to add the Mailtrap API key that I'd previously saved, and I did the same for the From email address. Next, I simply told the Anything AI I've added new secrets using a prompt like this one. I've also made sure to provide the AI with the address where I wanted to receive notification emails when a user registers. To do this, you can use a simple prompt, such as this one. And before we send the emails, why not hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications? It helps us out, and you get to be notified when we publish a cool new video, like this one. To demo the sending functionality in my Anything project, I tried to create a new account as a new user and fill out the necessary details. Hoping for the best, I pressed the send button and, oh, voila! The email was successfully delivered in the inbox. Then, I went into Mailtrap email logs to check additional details, like the event info and event history. Next, having warmed up, I decided to spice up my Anything project by adding password resets, order confirmation emails, shipping and delivery confirmations, and payment summaries. And if you'd like to see guides on how to implement some of these, be sure to let us know in the comments down below. And that's pretty much the end of today's video. However, it's not the end of your vibe coding journey. To take your skills to the next level, make sure to watch our guide on prompt engineering for emails. Just click on the card next to me, and I'll see you in the next one.